Greetings, fellow travelers. Welcome to my channel, Speedbird on the Run. I'm Gabriel, and I'm absolutely thrilled to share my travel escapades with all of you. Here, you'll find candid and unbiased travel reviews. If you're a fellow travel enthusiast seeking genuine insights, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all our exciting journeys. Join me on a virtual tour today as we embark on an exploration of Le Palais de Chine in Taipei, Taiwan. The Palais de Chine prides itself on being a hotel that embodies the essence of a museum. Its ambience is characterized by a rich, dimly lit setting adorned with a mix of antique and contemporary elements. If I were to sum it up, I'd call it a fusion of Baroque elegance and modern sophistication. I must emphasize that this hotel is truly one of a kind. Stepping inside, you are instantly transported to a different realm. Its execution is exceptionally well done. Palais de Chine boasts a highly convenient location in close proximity to Taipei Main Station, HSR, Taipei MRT, Taoyuan International Airport MRT, Taipei Transit Bus Station, and Taipei public bus stops, ensuring easy accessibility for guests. Palais de Chine is a member of the Preferred Hotels Group. I made a reservation for a superior room, which provides a generous 30 square meters of space. This room is adorned with custom-made furniture and artwork imported from Europe, and it boasts a European-style design terrace with a wooden deck. Notably, there is no physical separation between the room and the bathroom. Instead, a mirror serves as the divider. I'm quite fond of the large circular bathtub in the bathroom, although it was a bit challenging to fill due to the somewhat low water pressure. The toilet facilities are separate from the bathroom since the bathroom is within the room itself. It's a pleasant feature to have a Japanese bidet, which adds a touch of comfort to the restroom. The tea assortment provided in the room stands out in terms of quality and offers a departure from the usual hotel offerings. Additionally, the coffee is genuine, ground coffee, served in a clever single-cup paper system. I'd like to give a special mention to the elegant porcelain tea set and the environmentally friendly, reusable glass water bottles, which consistently contribute to a high-end experience. The minibar was also well-stocked. My room featured a generously sized balcony with a wooden floor that overlooked the rear of the hotel. The view was unobstructed, and there was no disturbance from noise. Now, it's time for my personalized evaluation of this Taipei establishment, fondly referred to as the Speedbird Score. The room boasts a remarkably distinctive atmosphere compared to other hotels, which I found quite unique and enjoyable, earning it a score of 18 out of 20. The staff went above and beyond in extending a warm welcome with their friendliness and smiles, resulting in a commendable score of 18 out of 20 for customer service. The food and beverages seemed promising, given the restaurant's presence in the Michelin Guide. However, I regrettably had to rush to the airport before breakfast service began, so I won't assign a grade to this category. The amenities provided were notably high quality, and the attention to detail in the tea and coffee offerings was evident, warranting a score of 17 out of 20. Lastly, the hotel's prime location, conveniently situated next to Taipei Main Station, secured a strong rating of 19 out of 20. Taking all these factors into consideration, my overall rating for this establishment would be 90 out of 100. The Palais de Chine offers a truly unique experience that deserves to be explored. I wholeheartedly recommend it and look forward to returning to sample the culinary offerings in the future. Thank you for joining me on this captivating virtual journey, and always remember, the world is yours to explore.